In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude sales tax from product prices in Shopify. This quick setting controls whether taxes are baked into the prices your customers see or added at checkout, which can make a big difference depending on where you sell and how your customers expect to see pricing. Start by signing into your Shopify admin and head to Settings. From there, open Taxes and Duties. This page centralizes how Shopify calculates and displays taxes across your store. So any change here affects every product and shipping rate, unless you've configured region-specific overrides elsewhere. Now scroll down to the Global Settings section. You're looking for the option labeled Include Sales Tax in Product Price and Shipping Rate. When this box is checked, your storefront shows tax-inclusive prices, meaning the price on the product page already has tax embedded. Many stores in regions like the EU and the UK use this because local regulations often require displaying tax-inclusive prices. However, if you operate in places like the United States or Canada, customers typically expect to see tax added at checkout rather than included up front. To switch your store to show tax-exclusive prices, simply uncheck that box. This tells Shopify to treat your product prices and shipping rates as before tax amounts. From a customer's perspective, the product page will show the base price, and any applicable taxes will be calculated and added during checkout. This can improve transparency for shoppers who are used to seeing subtotal tax and shipping broken out clearly on the final page. Before you finalize, consider the practical impact. Unchecking this box does not change your product price numbers in the admin. It changes how Shopify interprets and displays them. If your existing prices were set with tax included, you may notice that the effective price customers pay at checkout shifts because tax is now added afterward. It's a good idea to confirm that this aligns with your pricing strategy and regional requirements. Remember that shipping can be taxable in some jurisdictions, so this toggle also affects whether tax is added on top of your shipping rates. Once you're confident this is the right approach for your store, click Save. That's it. The change applies store-wide going forward. If you sell internationally, you might also review your tax registrations and communications in your theme to ensure customers understand whether taxes are included or calculated at checkout. And if you're unsure about local rules, consider consulting a tax professional to stay compliant while keeping your pricing as clear as possible.